Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today I have come up with a very easy and quick recipe, and it will be prepared in an air fryer. So I have taken over here 1 kg of potatoes, and I have washed it very properly because we don't have to peel the skin. So make sure the skin is clean. Now I'm cutting the potatoes in the horizontal form, and after that we are going to prepare the spices. For the spices I'll be taking salt, red chili powder, chili flakes, and mixed herb. Since I didn't have garlic powder available, so I didn't add it, but it gives a very good taste, so you should add this as well. Now after mixing it, I'm going to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil and give it a very good mix.
No, this is oil. Oil. Saffron oil, yes.
After mixing, you have to put the potatoes in it, and you're gonna toss it very properly so that every potato should get covered up in the spice mixture. I'll be setting up the temperature of air fryer at 200 degree, and the timer will be around 20 to 25 minutes, but it also depends on the potato. Sometimes they get cooked very quickly, so you have to keep checking between the intervals, and always remember that potato wedges will be of dark color and crispy from the outside, but it will be soft from inside. So it is my go-to snack whenever we have to go for an outing with the kids, and very good snack, very tasty. So try this recipe and let me know. Thank you.